Now let's look into what are arrays in Solidity. I'll just close these tab, just make a new file of arrays.sol, right? And just add spdx license identifier, should be an MID, add a pragma of Solidity that this is a version of 0.7, right? And now let's look into arrays, right? So let's just classify them. Let's just add a multi-line comment and types of arrays in Sol. Cool. So now the first one is we have is fixed array. So this is a simple one. So if you're only familiar with any other language, these are super easy for you, right? So then we have this dynamic arrays. Yeah, so we have these two type of arrays in Solidity as well. And so you can make notes, or even I can share this code for you in the description. So let's just add a contract for us. Let's just make a contract concept, not the contract of let's say arrays. And what we want for a contract is we want to have a event. Now this event is going to be an array, right? This event is going to be an array, right? And this essentially is going to be a public of array1, right? And let's just make another array of a event. This event is another public of array2. Now we can specify that the value for this array. Let's say add a 1, 2 or 3, let's say, and right, so we can specify these values as well, right? Now this one right over here, the R1, is an example of a dynamic array. Dynamic okay, example. Now this is basically the fixed array. This is an example of fixed array. Example, right? Now let's just add another array. You can also add a initialize fixed array. Let's say just try out this one, and add a public of array3, and let's just add this. Now we can specify the limit for this array. Let's say we can add a 10 over here. Means this array can have 10 values, right? Which we can start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and goes all the way to 9. And we can just add over here fixed size array. All the elements are initialized with 0, right? Fixed type array, array all the elements start with 0, or we can also say initialize over here, initialize with 0, right? And yeah, so we can also add a function to this for more simplicity. Let's add a function that gets, now so this is the function of get, and let's just add a public to this of view, and let's add a return, and now this get function will get a event of I, and it's gonna return a event, right? Because we are passing in a event, then you can return it as a event, and then we want to return array1 and this should consist of I, right? So it's a simple function of name get, getting an event of I, and I will tell you, I will let you know what is this returns and this view meant in the upcoming videos, right? So this is public function which is a view returns a event, and it can return a event of array1 which is of A, right? And yeah, that's essentially everything. If we just run this program, let's just run this again. Yeah, you will see we can specify, we can add the array. Let's say we can add 1 2, let's say add 2 3 4 5 and all kind of stuff, and you can click on this one array call, and you're gonna call the function, and you can add multiple arrays, right? You can even add this array, and this is all kind of stuff. So that essentially everything. I will let you know about these view and returns in the upcoming videos. Till then, bye.